This is another one of the clocks I was telling you about yesterday. I got this at the thrift store with the York clock and another West clock, wall clock. This is a GE model 2203A electric wall clock. You can see the General Electric logo there in the center. It's made in the USA. It's a metal back face, metal hands. I'm not sure if this has the Telecron movement in it, because at one point GE was putting that inside of their clocks. The thing is fantastic looking. I don't know if you can't really tell the color very well, but it's brilliant white, like it's brand new. Label's still in good condition. Very quiet too. See if you can hear it. Give you perspective on how big the size is. Fairly small wall clock, but still a good size. That is the General Electric model 2203A electric wall clock.